Hey, everybody. Kevin here at KeyTools DayTrade. Got some improvements for you guys. Easier sign up, lower prices, and some improved features in the software. So, without holding you up too long, let me show you exactly what we've got now. Now, our price was $50. If you got if you came in with a promo coupon, it was $20. We gave you 40% off. Now we've made the pricing. You don't have to get an affiliate. Some people don't want to work through someone else. They just want to do it themselves. So we made the pricing just $19 directly. We still have the promo code, and the affiliates still get a bit of a commission from that monthly fee. The idea or the thinking behind this is that if you work with someone who is who trades the same way that you're thinking and doing, you can find them on YouTube or wherever, and they can get a promo code, get an affiliate code with us, and they get a little commission for having you work with us. But the bottom line is our software is really to help you gain the discipline, try to help you stop the losses and help you uh, look at the indicators before the day begins so that you have some context to work with when you're starting the process. I still use the application just to make a couple $100 in the morning for the day, and that's about it. I'm not looking for the giant wins, not yet. Once my account gets bigger, of course I'll go ahead and do that. But you can take a small account and just make a couple $100 a day to get yourself going. But the bottom line is it's $19 a month directly. You can just come and go to KeyTools US, click get started, and we have actually $200 a year if you sign up for the entire year. If you can't make $200 with us, you should make that in 2 days. Uh, Easily. I'm not, there's, of course, there's no guarantee with stocks and things like that, and we have the disclaimer and all of that other information here that you can read, and you read that before you actually sign up. But the bottom line is that you can, and I use this daily just to try and make a couple extra $100 to supplement, pay some bills and things like that. And that's primarily what this application is for, to get you just the discipline to do a few things and get yourself set up. Now, for the improvements in the software, let's take a quick look at well, here, let me move you over here. Let's take a quick look at the actual application. Let me log in here real quick. And in here, you'll see that, we have our regular updates and banners telling you what's going on during the day, different things like that. Down here, we have a new line in the middle. Of course, you have the AI assessment that tells you what's going on in the market and gives you kind of some context for the day. Now we have this new live line here that gives you updates every minute during the day. We're kind of halfway through the day, but you have SPY, and it tells you what the opening for SPY was for the day. You have VWAP. If you don't know what these terms are, I go over them in the other videos, and it's not real difficult. This is just expected move. It's up, well, about 2.5 points is left for the day. So the previous day high was this, the previous day low was that, the overnight high and overnight low here. Okay, let me also show you something over here on some of the other improvements that we added in. Over here, you have you've added a script into ThinkorSwim. If you're using the ThinkorSwim platform, you can see the previous day high, the previous day low, overnight high, overnight low, what the security that you're trading opened at for the day, the expected move that's left for the day. Right now, this is at just 3 because again, we're halfway through the trading day or almost ready to end it. But you have the expected move high, expected move low. There's a couple of other indicators here that I'll explain in different videos so that this video doesn't get to be too long. But also down here where we have these same indicators, you can turn certain ones off and on, but these 2 blue lines, that's your overnight high and low. These are indicators and information that help you to make trades during the day. Let me make this a little smaller here, fit studies. There. You see here this red line, that's your previous day low, and your previous day high is here in green. Okay, that information by itself, it would take you a little while to plot that out and get it laid out on your screen and all of those different things. So what we're doing here with KeyTools is trying to get you the information that you need to do your trades during the day a little bit quicker. Okay, so bottom line, what we've got is lower costs, some improvements in the software, and definitely looking forward to working with you guys or helping you make a few extra bucks every day. Okay. Alrighty. Take it easy. Talk with you soon.